See, Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 10, Ordinary Differential Equations, Exercise 10.6, Sum number 7. Sum is 1 plus 3 e power y by x into dy plus 3 e power y by x into 1 minus y by x into dx equal to 0. Given that y equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. So we are going to solve this differential equation. Actually this is the homogeneous differential equation. Why do you say it is homogeneous? Look at the degree of each term. See, constant degree 0, and see here e power y by x. Y power is 1, x power is 1, y by x, so 1 minus 1, 0. So this, the degree of this term also 0. Again here e power y by x, e power y power 1, x power 1. So division 1 minus 1, 0. Again here y by x. So the degree of each term in this equation is 0. Therefore, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. We are going to solve this equation. Solve. First you bring this equation in the dy by dx term, with the dy by dx term. There are two terms in this equation. First let me write 3 e power y by x into dy is equal to, take this to the other side, so minus 3 e power y by x 1 minus y by x into dx. So keep dy on the left side, bring this dx to the other side, you will get, so in that case the other term with the dx is as it is on the left side. Here the term with the dy comes to the other side, so it comes in the denominator 1 plus 3 e power y by x. So now let me make the substitution here. Y is equal to, take y is equal to vx. So what about dy by dx? Differentiate y with respect to x. UV method. Keep y constant, differentiate x, you will get 1. Keep x constant, differentiate v, so dv by dx. So replace in the equation dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus 3 into, see, y equal to vx. What about y by x? Take this x to the left side, you will get v. E power v 1 minus e power v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. See, here what I do, just I take off this minus here. So this is minus 3 e power v into 1. So minus 3 e power v, minus into minus plus 3 e power 2v. See, actually this is y by x. Just v alone we have to make the substitution. V, this is v. So if I multiply this plus 3 e power v into v by 1 plus 3 e power v. So just I multiply here, then take this v to the other side, it becomes minus v. So left side term you will get x into dv by dx. Take LCM as 1 plus 3 e power v. So you will get in the numerator this term as it is, you will get 3v e power v minus 3 e power v minus v into 1 plus 3 e power v. So just remove the bracket. 3v e power v minus 3 e power v minus v minus 3v e power v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. So same terms with the opposite sign, 3v e power v, 3v gets cancelled. So the remaining term is minus 3 e power v minus v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. So left side you are getting x dv by dx. So collect the similar terms on one side. So before that let me take minus outside. So 3 e power v plus v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. So here you will get dv. So bring this term to this side. 1 plus 3 e power v divided by, let the minus be there itself, 3 e power v plus v. Here dx by x. Let me integrate on both sides. So what you will get here, see, fraction means you have to always that denominator term, just see whether the derivative is on the numerator. 3 e power v. So if I differentiate e power v, I will get e power v. Yes, then derivative of v is 1. So you are getting the derivative of the denominator in the numerator. So I am getting log of 3 e power v plus v. You can put bar because bar stands for log value holds good only for the positive value, minus log x. So all the terms are log terms. So constant also you will get log c. So now, so log here minus, so log of c by x. Minus comes in the denominator. Then here log of 3 e power v plus v. Taking exponential on both sides. Taking exponential on both sides. So 3 e power v plus v is equal to c by x. Now replace, because we have taken y equal to vx. So I am going to replace v, that is v is y by x. So replace all v as y by x. 3 e power y by x plus y by x. Let me take this x just as it is, c by x. This is our equation. But one condition is given for you in the problem. See, when x equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. So replace x as 1, y as 0. So 3 into, if I substitute y as 0, x as 1, this is e power 0. Plus 0 by 1, 0 is equal to, x is 1, so you will get 3. So 3 e power 0, e power 0 value is 1, so just 3, c value is 3. So substitute in the equation 3. So now see here, you can take this x to this side. See, both the terms have x common denominator. So multiply each term by x. So you will get x by x. So into x. So 3x e power y by x plus into x means just y you will get. Into x means just you will get c. But c we got as 3. So 3x e power y by x plus y is equal to 3. So this is the answer equation. See the eighth sum. Solve x square plus y squared into dy equal to xy dx. Y of 1 is equal to 1 and find x naught if y of x naught is equal to e. First take the given equation, x square plus y square into dy is equal to xy dx. So see the degree of the term, see x square degree is 2, y square degree is 2. See x power 1, y power 1, add degree is 2. So this is a homogeneous equation. So keep dy, then bring this dx to the denominator. So xy by x square plus y square. See, actually denominator term is an expression, sum of the terms, but numerator single term you get. Actually denominator only you have to get the single term xy. Take the reciprocal, x square plus y squared. So this becomes dx by dy. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. See, dx by dy you get. So in that case, I have to make the substitution as x as vy. Differentiate x with respect to y. So v with respect to y, so it is 1. Then y, v is dv by dy. See, I hope you can understand this. Why do we bring this in the dx by dy form? Denominator, we have the sum of two terms. We cannot do the further simplification. So, when single term is, you can do the simplification. See, now let me replace x as vy, dx by dy as v plus y dv by dy is equal to x squared plus x as v squared y squared plus y squared divided by vy into y. See, all the terms have y squared common. So v squared plus 1 divided by vy squared. So y squared by squared cancel. V square plus 1 by v. See, actually what is this here? V squared by, just you keep as it is. You take this v to the other side. So left side term you are getting y dv by dy. This is v square plus 1 by v minus v. When I take this v to the other side, minus v. Take v as LCM. V square plus 1 minus v into v squared. So the answer is 1 by v. So y into dv by dy. So you collect v to the v to one side. So v dv. Take this dy to the other side, dy. So y becomes here 1 by y. See, I integrate on both sides. So you will get just v. So v squared by 2 log y plus log c. This is log y by log c. Because of this log term, the constants also we take it as log term. So log of plus you have, so log yc. So v squared by 2. Now replace here v. X I have taken as vy. So v as x by y is equal to v. So v squared x squared by 2y squared is equal to log yc. In order to remove this log term, taking exponential on both sides, e power x squared by 2y squared is equal to yc. See, now take the given conditions. See, when y of 1 is equal to 1, that means when x is equal to 1, y is 1. When given y of 1 is 1, that is when x is 1, y is 1. So e power e power, replace x as 1, y as 1. So you will get e power 1 by 2 is equal to c. What do you mean by this 1 by 2 means root e. C value is root v. First condition is over. See the second condition they given as y of x naught is equal to e. That is when x equal to x naught, y is equal to e. Now replace in the equation x as x naught and y as e. So you will get on the left side e power 1 by 2 x naught square by e square is equal to yc, that is e. What about c? We got in the previous answers root e. So see here, this is e power 1, e power half. Add the degree 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 LCM 3 by 2. So e power 3 by 2. Here e power 1 by 2 x naught squared by e squared. See, base is same, so the index should be also same. So 1 by 2 x naught square by e square is equal to 3 by 2. See, on either side you will get, see 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Take this e square to the other side. X naught square equal to 3e square. 3e square, 2 gets cancelled. So x naught is equal to root of 3e squared. Root 3 is just root 3, but e squared, when I take root, you will get e. So x naught is equal to, take plus or minus. X naught equal to plus or minus root 3e. This is the answer. Actually our question is find x naught if y of x naught equal to e. So I arrive at the answer x naught is equal to root 3e. Thank you.